Beech Fagus is a genus of deciduous trees in the family Fagaceae, native to temperate Europe, Asia and North America. Recent classification systems of the genus recognize 10 to 13 species in two distinct subgenera, Angleriana and Fagus. The Angleriana subgenus is found only in East Asia, and is notably distinct from the Fagus subgenus in that these beeches are low-branching trees, often made up of several major trunks with yellowish bark. Further differentiating characteristics include a whitish bloom on the underside of the leaves, the visible tertiary leaf veins, and a long, smooth seupule peduncle. Fagus japonica, Fagus angleriana, and the species F. okamatoi, proposed by the botanist Cheng-Fu Shen in 1992, comprise this subgenus. The more well-known Fagus subgenus beeches are high-branching with tall, stout trunks and smooth silver-gray bark. This group includes Fagus sylvatica, Fagus grandifolia, Fagus crenata, Fagus lucida, Fagus longipeciolata, and Fagus hyade. The classification of the European beech, Fagus sylvatica, is complex, with a variety of different names proposed for different species and subspecies within this region, for example Fagus taurica, Fagus orientalis, and Fagus mosica. Research suggests that beeches in Eurasia differentiated fairly late in evolutionary history, during the Miocene. The populations in this area represent a range of often overlapping morphotypes, though genetic analysis does not clearly support separate species. Within its family, the Fagaceae, recent research has suggested that Fagus is the evolutionarily most basal group. The southern beeches, not the Fagus genus previously thought closely related to beeches, are now treated as members of a separate family, Fagaceae. They are found in Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea, New Caledonia, Argentina and Chile, principally Patagonia and Tierra del Fuego. The European beech, Fagus sylvatica, is the most commonly cultivated, although there are few important differences between species aside from detail elements such as leaf shape. The leaves of beech trees are entire or sparsely toothed, from 515 cm long and 410 cm broad. Beeches are monoecious, bearing both male and female flowers on the same plant. The small flowers are unisexual, the female flowers borne in pairs, the male flowers wine-pollinating catkins. They are produced in spring shortly after the new leaves appear. The bark is smooth and light gray. The fruit is a small, sharply three-angled nut 1015 mm long, borne singly or in pairs, and soft-spined husks 1525 cm long, known as seupules. The husk can have a variety of spine to scale-like appendages, the character of which is, in addition to leaf shape, one of the primary ways beeches are differentiated. The nuts are edible, though bitter, though not nearly as bitter as acorns with a high tannin content, and are called beech nuts or beech mast. The name of the tree, Latin fagus, whence the species name, cognate with English beech, is of Indo-European origin, and played an important role in early debates on the geographical origins of the Indo-European people. Greek is from the same root, but the word was transferred to the oak tree, e.g. Iliad 16,767 as a result of the absence of beech trees in Greece.